Hello my friends. I've been working lately on this wonderful top. Wonderful top. This is the back, and now I'm doing the front. This is the front. So as you see, I work from low here, from downwards, upwards, and here I am doing it. So please enjoy me knitting just for you. I love DJ music. It's fun. It's good for the mind, body and soul to knit. So it's something that is very peaceful, therefore I enjoy doing every single day of my life. Thank you for watching and subscribing. See you in another video. Bye bye.